Hello students, in this video let us learn some problems on conditional joint probability. Shown in the figure is a region in the xy plane where the bivariate PDF fxy of x comma y is equal to c and 0 elsewhere. Find the value of c, PDFs fx of x and fy of y, PDF of y conditioned by x is equal to 1. Verify the conditional PDF satisfies integral minus infinity to plus infinity fx of x dx is equal to 1. Find the mean and variance of y conditioned by x is equal to 1. Let us see the figure. Before I start the problem, let me explain this figure. See, in your first year engineering, in the multiple integrals chapter, you have learned how to identify the region and write the double and triple integrals using that. So, we will recall that so that you can identify the region and write the integrals of it. So let us take a Cartesian coordinate system. You have already learned this line, which passes through the origin and lies in the first and third quadrant is given by y is equal to x. Here, as when x is positive, y is also positive. When x is negative, y is also negative. You have already come across this kind of line in the multiple integrals. Now let us learn, this also you have learned, one more line. This is a straight line which passes through the origin and lies in the second and fourth quadrant. Here, when y is positive or else when x is positive, y becomes negative. When x is negative, y becomes positive. Equation to this line is given by y is equal to minus x. If you compare the figure, given figure, this line is very similar to that. So I can name this line as y is equal to minus x. Now let us come to the figure what they have given. As I have discussed there, this line is y is equal to minus x. Now, if you see here, this line is nothing but y is equal to 2. You can also understand this by seeing the y coordinates here. Y is equal to 2. And this is the line x is equal to 2. If I have to write identify the region and write it in the form of double integral, or identify the limits of it, we can see here so y is equal to minus x, y is equal to 2. Here x, extreme points of x are, if I take this line, this point is minus 2 comma 0. Here the extreme on the right side, extreme values of x is 2. So x varies from minus 2 less than x less than 2, and y if you take from bottom to top, here the shading starts from minus x. If I go like this upwards, shading starts from minus x less than y varies along the line, and y ends at 2. So minus x less than y less than 2. So here I will rewrite the PDF and write it as from the figure f(xy) of x comma y is equal to c. So the range of x we have written minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, and the limits of y are minus x less than or equal to y less than or equal to 2, as I have shown you in the figure, using the figure, and it is 0 elsewhere. Now to find the value of c, we will take the first one. To find the value of c, we already know double integral from minus infinity to plus infinity f(xy) of x comma y dx dy is equal to 1. f(xy) of x comma y is given to be c. So instead of xy of x comma y, we will write c here, and the outermost integral we have taken it as x. The limits of x we have identified already. It is minus 2 to plus 2, and the innermost integral is the limits for y, so which we have identified as minus x to 2. So minus x to 2. So here we will write dy into dx. First we have to integrate this with respect to y. When I integrate with respect to y, c is a constant, it comes outside, so nothing there is there, so the 1, it means it is 1. So integral of y, integral of dy is 1. Integral of 1 becomes y. So when we apply the limit minus x and 2, upper limit is 2, minus of minus becomes plus x. So 2 plus x dx. Now let us integrate it with respect to x. Right hand side 1 will keep as it is. C, integration of 2 becomes 2x. Integral of x becomes x square by 2. Apply the limits 2 and minus 2. 1 on the right hand side is kept as it is. When you apply the limit, you get c into 6 plus 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of c is 8. So let us rewrite the above interval. f(xy) of x comma y is equal to 1 by 8 for minus 2 less than x less than or equal to 2, minus x less than or equal to y less than or equal to 2, 0 otherwise. Now the second question is, we have to find the PDF of x and y. All these formulas you have already come across and you have already used. So PDF of x, marginal PDF, fx of x is given by integral minus infinity to plus infinity f(xy) of x comma y dy is equal to, here y ranges from minus x less than y less than or equal to 2. So integral become minus x to plus 2. The value of f(xy) of x comma y is 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 dy. When you integrate, you get 2 plus x by 8. Similarly, let us find the marginal PDF of y, which is given by integral minus infinity to plus infinity f(xy) of x comma y dx. Here the limits of x we have to identify, which is minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. So integral minus 2 to plus 2 1 by 8 dx. When you integrate and simplify, you get half. So fx of x, fy of y are ready. Next they are asking us to find the PDF of y conditioned for some value of x, and here they have given the value of x as 1. So let us find the PDF of y conditioned for some value of x. It is given by the formula f xy of x comma y by f x of x. F x comma f xy of x comma y is 1 by 8. F x of x, that is marginal PDF, we have found it as 2 plus x by 8. Look here, 2 plus x by 8 is the PDF, and f xy of x comma y is 1 by 8. So the values are ready. We will substitute it, and 8 get cancels. We get 1 by 2 plus x. For minus 2 less than x less than 2. Now here I said, when I said PDF of y condition for some value of x, the value of x they have given it as 1. So PDF of y for when x is equal to 1 is, here in the place of x we will put 1. We will get the value of fy of y for some value of x is equal to 1 is 1 by 3. Next, in the same way, we will find the PDF of y condition for x is equal to 1. So integral minus infinity to plus infinity fy of y by 1 dy. So fy of y by 1 by 3 we have already obtained. When we integrate y 1, we get y. Apply the limit from minus 1 to 2 and simplify. You get the value as 1. Last question is conditioned mean and variance. In the last video, we have learned the formulas regarding conditioned mean and variance. Write the formula, apply the values. All these values are already we have found here. So mu y for conditioned value of x is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity y into PDF of y conditioned x dy. So mu y, the value of x here is 1. Minus infinity to plus infinity y fy of y by 1 dy is equal to, just now here we have found it as fy of y by 1. It is 1 by 3. We have already found. So we will take the value as y into 1 by 3. That is y by 3 dy. 1 by 3 comes outside. Integral of y is y square by 2. Apply the limits and simplify. You will get the value as half. Next, let us find the variance. Variance of y condition for some value of x. The value of x is 1 here. So variance of y conditioned x is equal to my integral minus infinity to plus infinity y minus mu y by x whole square into fy of y by x dy. So value of x is 1. So y minus mu y by 1 into fy of y by 1 dy. Y minus mu y by 1 is half, just found above. Here we have already found. So let us take the value here, y minus half whole square into 1 by 3 dy. Value of fy of y by 1 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is a constant. I will write out. Y minus half when integrated becomes y minus half to the power 3 by 3. 3 comes out, it becomes 1 by 3 into 3, 1 by 9. Apply the upper limit, it becomes 2 minus half. 2 minus half is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 cube plus lower limit is minus half. Minus half minus 1 minus half becomes minus 3 by 2 whole cube. That becomes plus 3 by 2 whole cube 1 by 9, this is 2 times of 3 by 2 whole cube. When you simplify, you get the value as 3 by 4. So we have found all the terms what they have asked. So to make this problem more clear, let us take one more problem of same kind. The same problem, a different figure. Shown in the figure is a region in the xy plane where the bivariate PDF fxy of x comma y is equal to c and 0 elsewhere, as they have given in the previous problem. Same here also. Find c. Find the PDF of y conditioned x is equal to 1. Verify the conditional PDF satisfies minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. Find the mean and variance of y conditioned x is equal to 1. The problem is same, but the figure is different. So this I have discussed about this figure in the previous problem. I have already told you a line passing through the origin and lying in the first and third quadrant is given by y is equal to x. Here when x is positive, y is also positive. When x is negative, y is also negative. So when I join here, I will get the same figure. So let us discuss the figure now. As told earlier, this line is y is equal to x, and if you see this line would be y coordinate, you see it is minus 2, y is equal to minus 2. Extreme points of x let us take. Here it is minus 2 comma 0. Here it is, see the x coordinate, it is 2. So here minus 2 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 2. These are the limits for limits for x. Here y, from when we move from bottom to top, shading starts from the line minus 2, and as we go above, y varies and it reaches the line x. So the y ranges from minus 2 to x. So let us rewrite the interval as f xy of x comma y is equal to c for minus 2 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 2, minus 2 less than or equal to y, less than or equal to x. I have already explained how we obtained it. 0 elsewhere. We know for the bivariate PDF, double integral minus infinity to plus infinity fxy of x comma y dx dy is equal to 1. fxy of x comma y is given to be c, dy dx, as we have taken the inner integral as the limits of y, so we will write y dy first. Minus 2 to plus 2, these are the limits for x, and for innermost integral are the limits of y. When you first integrate with respect to y, you get x plus 2 integral minus 2 to plus 2 x plus 2 dx, right hand side is equal to 1. Keep c outside since it is a constant. When you integrate x, you get x square by 2 plus 2 becomes 2x. Apply the limit minus 2 to plus 2. You get c into 6 plus 2 is equal to 1. On simplification, again you get the value of c as 1 by 8 as you have obtained in the previous problem. So rewrite the interval by putting the value of c. That is fxy of x comma y is equal to 1 by 8 for minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. Minus 2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to x. 0 elsewhere. Now, let us find the PDF of y conditioned x. It is given by the formula fxy of x comma y by fx of x. For that we require the marginal PDF of fx of x. Fx of x is given by minus infinity to plus infinity fxy of x comma y dy. Xy of x comma y is 1 by 8 dy. When you integrate you get y, apply the limit, you get the value as x plus 2 by 8. Now let us find this PDF of y conditioned x. Fxy of x comma y is 1 by 8. Fx of x is x plus 2 by 8. 8 cancels, we get 1 by x plus 2. So this is the value of PDF of y condition for some value of x, where x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, we will take 1 by 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Now let us take the next problem. Minus infinity to plus infinity fy of y, that is PDF of y condition for some value of x. Here value of x is given to be 1. So it is minus 2 to 1. The value of fy of y by 1 is 1 by 3 dy. When you integrate 1 by 3 into y, apply the limits minus 2 to 1 and simplify, you get the value 1. Next, so we have proved the value is 1. The third question was, look here, the third question was we have to prove or verify conditional PDF satisfies f integral fx dx is equal to 1. We have proved that. Now let us take the fourth one. Condition mean and variance condition by x is equal to 1. Let us write the formula. Mu of y by x is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity y into fy of y by x dy. So value of x is 1. It is defined for minus 2 to 1. 1 by 3. The value of fy of y by 1 is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 I have written outside. Y dy. Integral of y is y square by 2. Apply the limit. It will be 1 by 3 into half minus 2, which gives minus half. Next we have to find the variance. Variance of y conditioned x is equal to 1. So the equation is minus infinity to plus infinity y minus mu y by x whole square fy of y by x dy. Variance of y conditioned x is equal to 1 is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity y minus mu y by 1 whole square fy of y by 1 dy. The value of fy by 1 is minus half. Let us put the value. It becomes y plus half whole cube. Value of fy of y by 1 is 1 by 3 dy. 1 by 3 I will write outside. Y plus half whole square becomes y plus half whole cube by 3. 3 taken out, it becomes 1 by 9. Upper limit when I apply, it becomes 3 by 2 whole cube. Lower limit when I apply, again it becomes minus 2 plus half. It becomes minus 3 by 2. Minus is plus. It becomes again 3 by 2 whole square. So 1 by 9, 2 times 3 by 2 whole square. When you simplify this, again you get 3 by 4. So 2 problems of this kind we have solved. Practice it so that you can do it flawlessly. Thank you.